Hello, friends! Welcome to Alphabet's Town. Today, we're going on a yummy adventure to meet our fruit friends. Are you ready to count and learn colors? Let's go! Look! Here is an apple. What color is this apple? That's right! It's red! It's a red apple! How many apples do we see? 1. Can you say it? 1. Next, we have some bananas. What color are they? Yes, they are yellow. Let's count them together. 1, 2. 2 yellow bananas. Wow, look at these juicy oranges. What color are they? They are orange. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 oranges. Great job! Now a quick challenge. Can you point to the yellow fruit? You found them! Those are the yellow bananas. You're so smart. We had so much fun today. We learned colors and counted to 3. Next time, we will meet even more friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Alphabet's Town for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.